Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the Family Safety app and signing in with your primary account. Once done, grant location, contacts, notifications, and background refresh so tracking and alerts work reliably. Next, add family members by sending invites via phone or email and verify each device to confirm permissions. Make sure to choose parental controls or guardian roles now. This sets baseline access and prevents later permission gaps. These first actions let you proceed to detailed rules without losing time on obvious setup. Once family members are verified, configure location groups and geofences so you receive entry and exit alerts. This helps you know where people are and why. Then set screen time schedules and app limits for each profile and apply content filters appropriate to age. At the same time, enable activity reporting, emergency contacts, and shared calendars to centralize safety and coordination. Make sure to test a schedule and a geofence alert so you confirm everything executes as intended before moving to final steps. You finish by testing real alerts and emergency flows. Simulate a check-in, trigger a geofence, and confirm emergency contact notifications so you know the system works under pressure. Then review privacy settings, update passwords, and enable two-factor authentication to secure accounts. If something goes wrong, start with common fixes, check battery saver, background location permission, and network access. Restart the device and reinstall the app if necessary. These final checks ensure reliability and give you one clear troubleshooting step to try first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.